Good morning, people of the internet. You thought I was dead. Same. Anyway, we're back. We've got Habib.
Evening.
Everyone's looking rough. We've got a new car. Rad. I don't know, if you flaunt Instagram and the internet, you've probably seen it anyway. But this is Tony's other Starlet, as opposed to this one. But this one's kind of cool. It's got all these random things, like a strap bracelet's nice and stiff. And good friends at BC have been around with some camber plates and some coilovers, and so it's actually clean. Like, it has paint on it, which is like not on the roof not so much, but like, it's mint. It's got some wheels on it, nice RPM gauge for when you want to know how many revs you're doing. It's like, all in all, for a Starlet, it's pretty clean. Not a massive fan of the speakers massively bolted into the door, but whatever, it's better than not having speakers, I guess. So as always, it's timing belt and water pump time, because why would we buy a car that doesn't need those, huh?
Yeah.
Look at his face, he's so happy about it. Idiot. So we're just going to start tearing it apart, because that's a logical way to do it. Don't have any parts, just start taking it apart and order the parts tomorrow, because what else do you do on a Sunday? I haven't made a video in a while, so we're pretty rusty. So we'll probably just jack it up and figure out what the fuck we're actually going to do, because we have no plan. This is team no plan today. Not .jp, because that's just generic and gay. But yeah, so we're gonna deal with this shit fight, and I guess you're along for the ride. Have fun sitting on your computer chair. Just do a couple of spins. I'll give you a minute. Just alright.
Get your workout, your COVID workout.
Oh yeah, get your Corona workout, guys. Get up and give it some. Oh yeah, body pump. Alright, you should have had enough time to do like 3 spins on your chair right now, so we'll actually do something now and come back. Alright, so we kind of got a little bit carried away. So we exposed the gearbox. We're going to take the fucking gearbox out at some point, and the drive shafts. We've taken off the rocker cover, that's ready to go. I need to get the cam puller so we can get the cam pulley off, and we can get the bottom timing cover off. Most of the water pump's undone. The alternator's hanging in there. We're taking the tensioner out and got the bolt off that because that was seized. We've just got all this crap out, the stuff in the boot. Yeah, so we kind of accidentally went ham for an hour, and we're most of the way there. So we're going to go get lunch from the cam puller, and I'll probably resume taking the cam pulley off, making sure it's timed, then getting the time belt off ready to go, and then I'll maybe start pulling the gearbox out.
Easy done.
Very nice.
Very good.
Dip it in tire shine.
Dip it in.
So we kept progressing. We now have no radiator in there because it's in the way. The slave cylinder's disconnected. Move that out of the way. We disconnected all this wiring. The hose is off, obviously, for that. We're going to pop the thermostat out. This gearbox is coming out. The hub nuts are undone. But it wouldn't be Habib brakes or a Habib car without metal on metal brakes, would it? So I pulled this side apart. I've just taken the caliper off. Found this bad boy. Every single time, and he's only just bought this car. But luckily we're replacing all the brakes anyway, so yeah, nice. It's a standard Habib car. If you don't have metal on metal brakes, did Habib even own it? The answer is no. So yeah, we're doing all the brakes on this. The drive boots are shagged, so we're going to do those. We're going to do a rear main seal, possibly a clutch. And yeah, keep going. But yeah, it's got some nice BCs on it. It needs a bit of cleaning, but we can do all that stuff. And yeah, we'll actually get somewhere with this. But yeah, we've got everything, all the water pumps out. Everything's ready to get the time belt and check the timing. Yeah, but you know, a couple of days this thing will be done. Alright, so after a little bit more work, we got drive side drive shafts out, ready to go. There's 2 bolts holding this in, one in the mount, one in the box. Jack's underneath that. I'll just pop these 2 clips out, and then these shift linkages will come out. And then I reckon we're pretty close to having it ready to go. We'll do a double check, but yeah, we'll do a quick double check, make sure, get the speedo drive out, and then yeah, we're popping the box off. Get on time. Maybe lie the engine down a bit. Why are you laughing? It's not funny. It's not funny. Anything holding this in is a fucking... this thing. Are you sick of this yet?
Nope.
You reckon it's gonna fall out yet?
Wondering.
I don't think it's gonna fall. What to do? What to do? What to do but cry? I wonder if it's just the rear engine belt bracket holding it. So close.
Alright.
It's most definitely coming out this time. This was an incredibly shocking choice. Alright. Bit of wriggle. Well, it's loose, it's just caught. Classic stitch up.
So it's caught on the back.
Ah, it's caught on something. It's caught.
Yes. Is that it? Come on.
Oh, come on.
It's so close.
How are you caught on you? Stupid.
Oh my god.
Piece of shit. Habib, by the time you see this, you owe me at least 2 Pepsi Maxes. Because that was fucking painful. Alright, we just forget about that, it's not going back in ever now. It's too difficult. this to get to a clutch and a rear main seal. Why
Jeez.
did I do this to myself? Still good, still good. Alright, well, I think that's enough for today. I'm pretty sick of this.
Mm.
So we're going to pack up, we're going to go home, we're going to cry on our pillows and die in a world of pain. However,
Year 1.
Toog versus Starlet round, whatever round this is. We got, yeah, okay, so half the engine bay's out.
Yeah.
We've achieved. And we've only done it in like 6 hours, so fantastic. But,
You were definitely not defeated.
I will die not defeated at this one.
It was pretty close.
Nearly got me.
It was pretty close.
Well, if you like watching me get punished, I suggest you subscribe because there'll be more of it. If not, like this video if you think gearboxes are terrible and they suck to get out of Starlets. I should have probably left the other engine mount in and not done it at the same time as the time belt. You can comment that below, and we'll see you on the next round of punishment and tears. Till then, goodbye.